Threefold's Production Pro course gives you everything you need to confidently go into production. Learn what to expect so that you have the proper plan in place for time, money, and all of the questions that you should be asking. Get templates for the important development documents you're going to need to approach a factory. Know the lingo so that when you're communicating, you are asking the right questions and understanding what they say. Understand the factory standards they should have in place in order to be an ethical factory, and take a deep dive into the certifications to understand them better. When you do approach a factory, know the right questions to ask and have a handy comparison guide for both factories and mills so that you can make the best decision for you. Finally, learn how to work with your factory so that you can have the highest quality production and on time, creating a great working relationship for your factory. The production planner will keep you on track to give you as smooth a production process as possible. Get Production Pro today and get started.